Example 2. Determine the equation of the tangent that touches the circle x minus 3 the whole square plus y plus 4 the whole square minus 25 equals 0 at the point where the circle intersects the x-axis other than the origin. Solution. Observing the given equation, we know that the center of the circle lies at the point 3, negative 4, and the radius is 5. Recall that the y-coordinate of a point on the x-axis is 0. Substituting the values of the point x0 that lies on the circle, we get x minus 3 the whole square plus 0 plus 4 the whole square minus 25 equals 0. X minus 3 the whole square equals 9. Taking square roots of both the sides, we get, therefore x equals 6 or x equals 0. We can observe that the circle intersects the x-axis at the origin 0, 0 and at the point 6, 0. Using these points, we can determine the gradient of the radius. mr equals 0 minus negative 4 over 6 minus 3 equals 4 over 3. Recall that the radius and the tangent are perpendicular to each other at the point of contact, and the product of the gradients of the two perpendicular lines is negative 1. Therefore, the gradient of the tangent will be, substituting the value of mr, we get mt equals negative 3 over 4. Therefore, the equation of the tangent with a gradient of negative 3 over 4 and passing through the point 6, 0 will be y equals negative 3 over 4x plus 9 over 2.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you. And let the math finally start mathing.